What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Gina here. I am going to reveal for you what my hair looks like underneath this cap after it's been braided down for over 5 months. Yeah, I'm kind of ashamed. So as you can see, it is really matted. It was matted inside of the stocking cap. I mean, it looks like one huge dreadlock. It's dry. It looks brittle. At this point, I was even in shock myself. I mean, just here it is in all its glory. All right, so here I am. I am pulling it down from my head, just separating the braids, just trying to see how many braids I have, scratching my scalp with my nails one good old time because I haven't been able to do that in a while. And I'm just trying to see what I'm about to start working with. So far so good. The braids are coming out. Running my fingers through the hair, just trying to separate it, trying to get little bits of buildup from old hair gel and stuff out of my hair. I mean, I'm just looking at the length. I was thinking a lot of it had like broken off because it looked really, really short right here for some reason. Y'all, this was truly disgusting. I was literally in shock and amazement how much buildup I had. I thought it was only buildup around my edges, but it was so much buildup throughout my hair. My edges seem like they may have gotten a little bit thinner, I guess from wearing a wig for so long. I never had like super thick edges, but for some reason they actually seemed a little bit thinner than my normal. Here I'm just pulling apart my hair. I'm seeing what's stuck together, if I got all the braids out, just really trying to see what lies ahead of me once I start detangling and washing my hair. Okay, so right here, I'm just like finger combing my hair, trying to get as many tangles out of my hair as I can before I shampoo it. I like to do that before my hair gets wet, just so I can get some of the loose strands of hair out before the water hits it. All right here I'm almost done. I did a little length check. Now I'm in the shower. My hair is completely saturated with water. I am still finger combing my hair, trying to get extra strands out. Don't let that pile of hair in the corner scare you too bad. We shed hair every day and mine's been covered up for 5 months. This is the shampoo I like to use. It is by Jane Carter Solutions. It's very thick. It really, really covers your hair really well. I love the way it smells, and I got it at TJ Maxx for $4.99. I got some other products from that line as well. I saturate my hair with shampoo really, really good. I split it apart. I scratch my scalp. I really, really wash my hair intensely when I do wash it. Hair is still coming out. That pile is getting bigger. I usually wash my hair 2 separate rounds just so I can, my hair is actually pretty thick, just to make sure that I'm cleaning it really, really well. Big old forehead there, as you can see. Here I just washed that shampoo out really, really good. The conditioner that I'm using is by Ojan. I got that from Ulta a while back. It was on sale for $2, marked down from like $10. So this is my pile of hair. Yes, it is a lot. It is nasty. It is cruddy. And yeah, it was a lot more than that at the very end when I was completely done with my hair. These are the products that I use. They are by Urban Hydration. I got them all from one of my favorite stores, which is TJ Maxx. And I think I bought every product in the line. It's like 5 steps. And here's the last product that you see. It's by the Jane Carter Solutions, where I showed you this shampoo that I have to go with it. So I just start off with this light oil and I just put it all through my hair just to give my hair some moisture, because that is definitely what it has been lacking these past few months. Yeah, y'all see that 5 head? That's why I wear my little baby hairs to try to camouflage it. Now I'm putting in this daily moisturizer. It's a little bit thicker than the oil, and I run this all through my hair as well. My hair is still really wet. It looks dry for some reason, but my hair is still very wet at this point. All right, now I'm gonna tie it up, try to get my little sections ready. I spray them down and get my hair really, really wet. I put some product in it, and then I start the detangling process. So you see me just combing through my hair, trying to get all the little tangles out, all the little straggly pieces of hair that need to come out because my hair wasn't able to properly shed being underneath the wig for all these months. So this is just me detangling, doing another length check. My hair has grown so much. It like literally amazes me. All right here, this hair has been detangled. I put my hair in little 2-strand twists, nothing fancy. I just do that every time I wash my hair. It's just simple to wear like this before I go to bed. This section I'm showing you guys was completely matted. It might not look like it, but literally at the scalp, it was one thick dreadlock. And here I'm just showing you guys how I just do the 2-strand twist all over my head, all the way to the bottom. And then the way I keep my hair trimmed is once I get to the very end, I just cut off about like 1.5 inches of that dead hair. All right, y'all, so it is 2:45 a.m. I have been working on my hair for literally like 4 hours. The hair like locked up into like dreadlocks. It was terrible. I've never had that happen before, but I just put my hair in some little 2-strand twists. I'm about to put my bonnet on, go to sleep, and when I do my hair tomorrow, I will let you guys see how it turned out. What's up, guys? So it has actually been about 1.5 days since I washed and twisted my hair. It was definitely a challenge doing my normal hair routine, my normal wash routine with twists that have been in for that long. There were actually a couple of chunks that I had to cut out of my hair because they literally turned into dreadlocks. I put so much water, so much product on them. Usually that works when my hair gets matted and I can just comb through it with some time. It didn't work, guys. I had to cut a couple of chunks out of my hair and I literally fought tears just because being natural is just takes so much work and it's been so much time and effort. And these past few years, I mean, my hair has grown so much, so to cut some of it off, it really hurt me. But all right, I'm gonna show you what I do to take down my twist out. All right, here's the Jane Carter oil again. I'm using this, I just put it on my hands and I rub it through my twist. And when I take down my twist, it just helps your hair not to be as frizzy. So I just undo each strand, untwist them. Don't comb them out or anything, just untwist them from the bottom and then work your way all the way to the top and just do that over your entire head. It takes time and it takes patience, you know. You don't want to just rip through your hair. You don't want your hair to be too frizzy because that can mess up the whole hairstyle. I just keep my hair really, really moisturized. I keep putting oil on my fingertips and my palms just so I can make sure that all the product goes into my hair. So the last twist is out. Some people I've seen wear their hair just like this, where they undo the 2-strand twist out and they wear it like this for a few days and it makes their style last longer. But that's just not my style. So I go back through each strand of hair and I separate. So what I do is I just keep separating and making my hair just get bigger and bigger. I'm a girl, if you don't know by now, I like big hair. It's crazy. I found another twist that I missed. Somehow I missed this twist. So I'm just taking that one down. So I gotta separate the hair. Found another one. You got thick hair, sometimes that happens. And I had a lot of twists, actually more than usual. Right here I'm just parting my hair differently, and it did cause it to frizz a little bit. I was kind of mad about that. But oh well, I wanted my part to be somewhere else. And right here I'm just playing with it, pulling it down, trying to put some more length to it. Now I'm about to tease it. So make that comb really moisturize, and you get right at the root of your hair and you tease. You don't tease through the hair. As you see, I'm only at the root. You just keep teasing, making your hair just as big as you want to. And you just play with it and style it, make those curls pop, honey. Now I am going in to cover up this 5 head with my Gots to Be gel, and I'm just doing some little baby hairs. They're really not gonna show anyway, but I always do baby hairs because my forehead is so big. And just play with your hair until you get to the style and the size that you like. I like mine big and fluffy. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying with me throughout this entire scary journey. But this is how I wash my hair. Normally I'll wash it like, when I wear it natural for a while, I normally wash it like once a week, or maybe like really honestly like once every 2 weeks. But when I do have braids in my hair and I'm like just back and forth wearing wigs, the longest I usually go is 2 months. And honestly, that's too long. So guys, if you like how I achieved this hair, if you have questions on how long I've been natural, the process of going natural, let me know below and I can definitely do a video on that. But yeah, this is the finished look. So I will be wearing my hair like this for probably the next 2 days, and then I'll put it up in a big old curly puff for probably the next 2 to 3 days after that. Alright guys, thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.